If you're looking to boost your everyday living with a welcoming atmosphere
and the hassle-free lock-and-leave convenience of a townhome,
this is the perfect 10. Featuring exclusive perks like swimming pools, fitness center, Mission Hills offers luxurious living in a gated community
and spans 144 acres with 781 residents.
Welcome to 1731 Mission Hills in Northbrook, Illinois.
This townhouse was recently remodeled from top to bottom with no expense spared, including brand new hardwood flooring throughout the first floor, new fireplace surround and mantel, and striking lighting. The kitchen remodel is sure to please with custom Amish cabinets, loads of counter space, high-end appliances, a wine fridge, and these huge drawers are just a few highlights. The open floor plan creates ideal entertaining space, while the beautiful fireplace seamlessly connects the family room to the dining room. And these brand new sliders lead you to a great outdoor space, but we'll get to that in a minute. Check out this wallpaper illuminated by the skylight. It's just stunning. Primary bedroom is the perfect space to relax, escape, and unwind. Your ensuite bathroom offers even more luxury and style, with a large walk-in shower and soaking tub. And I love this chandelier. The washer-dryer, beautiful hall bath, and guest bedroom complete the second level. Adding another 1,000 square feet of living space, the finished lower level offers the third bedroom, full bath, and another set of washer-dryers. Plus, large rec room is perfect for cozy movie night.
Here's the covered patio that I promised to show you,
bordered by a lush lawn and vibrant greenery.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to be the first to get notified of all our latest listings.